What's up for everybody? This is Taylor with Dad's Day Off. Today we're going to try out this 30-second outdoor cleaner. See if it's worth it. You see this fence behind us looks pretty gnarly. You can go ahead and try it out. So directions say go ahead and coat it. For plastic vinyl material, we'll let it sit about 3 minutes and you want to apply it dry. It says you don't need to use a pressure washer with it. I've got a foam cannon that attaches to the pressure washer, so we're going to hook that up and just use that to apply it and then let it sit. And try and rinse it off with the hose and see what it does. It's been about 5 minutes actually. Let's hose it off. I'd say that did about nothing. 30-second cleaner. Is it worth it? Probably not. We'll try again. Maybe use a scrub brush. On second thought, we've got a pressure washer here. We're just going to make quick work of it. Not worry about trying to get the scrub brush out and do a bunch of manual labor. We're just going to hit it quick, be done. All right, so 30-second cleaner. I think we're gonna throw that in the trash can. If you want to check out another solution that works really well for soft washing, check out my channel. It's another video with the DIY steps. You're gonna need a foam cannon, pressure washer. We'll make this whole process a lot simpler and less pressure washing actually getting in there and trying to use it to scrub. So check out the channel, drop some comments, let us know what you want to see next. And if you want to see some of the products that we used in this video or in some of the other videos, check the description links.